don't you treat me so mean. You're the meanest woman that I've ever seen. I guess if you said so, I gotta pack my things and go. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back and no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more. Don't you treat me so mean. You are the meanest woman that I've ever seen. Well, I guess if you said so, I gotta pack my things and go, and that's right. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back and no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more. Oh, no woman, don't you treat me this way. I'll be back on my feet someday. I don't care if I do, 'cause it's understood. It's ain't got no money, you know, ain't no good. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more. What you say? Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more. Solo Johnny, yeah. And don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more. Haideți și voi, vă rog frumos, să cântați cu noi un refren, haide! Hai! Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more. Don't you come back no more. Don't you come back no more. Mulțumim frumos! Așa s-a deschis spectacolul nostru din ziua de astăzi. Sper să vă distrați și pe mai departe. Eu trebuie să fug, am un examen acum, dar vă doresc distracție plăcută în continuare.